Hi everybody, Kat from Creative Crafts, and today's DIY is something I'm doing for my son. We're making something that we can cover the cables with. That's something that's strong. It's going to be quick and easy, I hope. So what you're going to need is, these kitchen roll pieces. You need at least 2 of them that it's strong, or a very heavy, strong one. So if you want to know how you do this, watch further. So to make this strong, what you're going to need to do is, of course, you're going to need your glue gun, you need this, and some kind of a decoration. Let me get this out of here. I have several projects going on here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to stick glue on here. Make sure there's plenty of it. Put the thing back in where it belongs. And then I'm going to stick this in here. And you want to try to make sure you keep doing like this until it's cooled, so that this does this when you put the cables inside. My son is fixing up his room and rearranging it, and he asked me if I had something to cover the cables with. So I'm going to make this for him. So what I'm going to, like I said, you're going to need, this one's a really strong one. I'm going to have 2 of them for him. You're going to need this tissue paper roll, this kind of roll, or, the wrapping paper that comes in the rolls, the long rolls. You can use that piece too if there's one in it. And I'm going to be using this jute rope. And I want to try my best to make sure, I don't want to cut any of this off. This is going to be in the back, so you're not going to really see this. So the best bet for me to do is take my glue gun, I put too much glue on it, but that's alright. Stick my jute wire or cable or rope on here, and I should wait until it's dry at least. So let's wait until this cools just a tad, so that when I pull it, because what I want to do is I want to do something like this. Cut it. I'm not going to wrap it around because you're going to waste a lot of rope for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just a little bit of glue. You don't need much. And stick that on there. Make sure you stick it on there pretty tight. There you go. I mean, if you want to keep going around with this, I mean, I do have enough of the rope for it. This is still hot. Could probably stick another one in there. Yeah. Let's see how this is. Maybe I will do it all the way around to make it a little bit stronger. And you just keep going. You just keep going around and around and around. So the next step I would suggest you to do is you take your glue gun and put glue much is in the back of the cables and press down. Be careful that you don't burn your fingers like I did, so that the inside of all the cable is not lifting up like this. You don't want that. So what you're going to do is, like I said, take your glue, just randomly put it everywhere from the inside, and like I said, be careful you don't burn your fingers. And there you go. They're not lifting anymore. Same thing goes for the ends here. I put some glue on here. So now I'll put glue all across the sides of this to make it a little bit more flexible. So what you want to do is, before you do anything else, you want to make sure that you still have your circle that you need. And I just want to add glue all the way down here in the back, as you see what I'm doing here. And what I'm going to do is just go like this, because you want it to be stable. And the same thing on the other side. And then put a little bit more on this side. And so now that is done, let it cool and you'll be able to use it. We'll take a picture and videotape it when it's in the place where it's supposed to be. Hi everybody, here's the finished project. It fits perfect where my son wanted it, and I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!